Do you want something, Alicia? Here you are. Anyone?
Telat ya teman-teman ya. Ini mobil-mobil ini semua ini sampai nggak ada parkir ini. Ini mobil orang Yumcha semua teman-teman. Karena di sini adalah satunya tempat yang di Yumcha di Western Sydney teman-teman. Jadi semua ya, ini biasanya yang ngantri sampai di luar sana. Ini tadi saya agak telat ini datangnya teman-teman.
One more spoon.
Yummy congee. Yummy congee. Your favorite is Alicia. Hey Sharon, don't be shy.
Sini, tinggal ke bukit saya tahu apa.
Don't be shy. I'm not putting you on video. Don't be shy. No kids this time. No, you are not kids. You are big girl. You are teenage. Soon, next year, hey? Next year you're gonna be teenager. Teenager is a lot of changes.
Taro puff with garlic.
Taro?
Puff.
Puff?
With
Waving to them, I take a picture. Cheers. Sorry guys. Not your first recipe. No good. No good.
Do you still have the recipe?
I don't have your. I can't find it.
I'll send you again.
Yeah, it wasn't good at all. Có sai. Có sai. Jadi ini makanannya banyak ya. Ada yang halal, ada yang enggak halal karena kita ini multicultural. Jadi beginilah ya teman-teman. Kita makannya yang halal-halal saja.
Yeah. I think they made their own pastry. Yeah.
They make it.
So fluffy ya.
But that one is not that yum. Inside is custard. And not like before who is it in baby room one? He always make one. Yeah, that one is very yummy, but this one. I like Helena one. It's like the Hong Kong style sayong. She always make it. Do you want the milk? Do you want something? Alicia?
Thank you. Then we have two? Two? Please. Thank you.
Luckily you are not there. You have to look here.
How many?
I'm in room 5. I'm gonna quit.
Wait.
They have 47 children in a row. 47.
In your room?
No, next door.
Oh.
Yeah, because my room is funded, their room not funded. So
Not funded?
No funded. So all of the children come like 2 days, 3 days, and like sometimes 1 day. So they have 47 children.
Wow, there's a lot of observations.
Because a lot of children left because too expensive. So now every day I have like 18, 19 children.
Three of us. Ask them to take a picture. Three of us. Thank you. Should we take a picture together? Yeah.
I'm in the middle.
And then taking picture. Thank you guys. Thank you.
I liked it so much, and last time I asked my boyfriend to taste. He said, "Why sugar have ginger taste in there?" I was like, "That's why it tastes nice."
Yeah. This is my favorite dessert.
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
Next time. How small? How small? See 4 months from now. See 4 months from now. Jadi kita sudah selesai teman-teman.
Yes, please. Oh, we all
together. Thank you. Jadi ini kita sudah selesai teman-teman. Kita sudah selesai. Ini susah nih parkir. Susah nih parkir. Saya kena fine apa enggak ini? Kena tilang apa enggak ini nanti? Kira-kira atau Tito away. Tito itu diseret pakai truk itu ya. Karena saya parkirnya di tempat yang kurang bener ini tadi. Agak mepet dengan yang depan. Oke teman-teman. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai jumpa di vlog berikutnya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.